Are you ready to go for a walk? Hey guys, it's Court. Today's video is going to be some sort of vlog. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do. But we're taking our puppy to the park and we're gonna try and walk him on a leash. Baby, why are you whining? Come on, sweetie, get out of the car. Come on. Hi, sweetie. We're going to play on the field. Yeah, why did we not bring him a toy? Dude, why are you so scared of a leash? I know you're not pulling on him, but he's freaking the frick out. We're gonna do some stairs. Okay, let's do our workout. Come on.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Let's go. I'm gonna take you down some slides. He's gonna hate me.
He's gonna freak out when he gets
He's not gonna like this. Come on.
Come on.
Brayden, don't shake it on purpose. Oh boy. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana.
Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up now, break that shit down. Speed it up now.
Prince and I just took the cutest pictures with all these like little flowers on this hill. What are these? Are these gonna be weeds? Are they gonna be dandelions or something? Anyways, we just took pictures with these cute flowers, so if you want to see the pictures, go follow my Instagram, Courtney McKell. My plug, Courtney McKell. I freaking love when he howls like that. It's so cute. You are so cute. We got back from the park and we dropped the dog off and we went and ran some errands. I got some spray paint because I have some little pots in our room that I want to paint white. They're currently just like orange terracotta pots. While I do that, Brayden's going to fix his car window. Oh my gosh, it's dark. Getting ready to spray paint these. Brayden's fixing his window. It's super sunny and bright and pretty today. It's been raining like crazy, so it's pretty nice when it's actually sunny. His door is off, his window's out. I'm on the first coat of that one. That one right there is done. I'm just waiting for these to dry. I think they're gonna look really cute in our room though. That plant is so loud. Once those pots dry, I'll go put them in our room and put the plants back in and show you what it looks like. I hope it looks pretty cute. If you guys want a room tour, let me know, leave it in the comments. Oh, is it back here? There we go. So I just brought the pots in and I put the plants in there. I'll show you what those look like. We just got back from the store to get some ingredients for scotcheroos that we're gonna make. They're super good. If you want the recipe, I will put it in the description. But let me just show you what these look like. That one right there is a little bit too tall for the vase that I have it in right now, so I might have to get a different one, but I think that they look really cute.
Can identify the component parts of a substance. James.
A whole thing of freaking peanut butter.
Tom Lee Jones was in that.
Ooh, do you smell peanut butter, Bear?
The bio sounds really funny tonight.
Now it's all mixed up.
See this, Vic? Tatiana?
Spread this out.
Oh, I did. I was going to go in there.
Now I'm melting down butterscotch chocolate chips and milk chocolate. This is what these scotcheroos look like done. I kind of failed because you're supposed to melt chocolate chips and butterscotch chips together, and it's supposed to be a lot more runny, but I don't know what I did wrong. I melted them down and they didn't really melt down that well, so yep, that's what they look like. Now I'm gonna have Brayden try them. Hopefully they're still good. Is it good?
Yeah.
Or is it dumb?
No, it's so good.
I'm pretty good. Alright, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching us do a bunch of random stuff. We are going to go watch our TV shows for the night and then go to bed. So thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.
It started with a heartbeat. I feel it when my heart beats.